with the Janet Jackson Poetic Justice vibes. I think so. I think so. It's like 93 degrees in the valley, in LA, and wherever I'm at. And I'm gonna try to do this video without the air conditioner. At some point I'm gonna have to turn it back on, but it's not even like sunny, like the sun is like beaming on you hot. It's that like overcasty, like 93-degree weather, and you kind of wish that it would like rain a little bit just to like, I don't know, that's the vibe for me. So anyway, I'm gonna be doing Marley Twists for the first time in years. Wait, let me take that back. I've never done Marley Twist. I've done twisted styles. I've used Kanekalon hair for the twisted styles. I've used Passion Twist, which came out cute, but the process and the tangle situation, never did it again. But it's on my channel. So I'm doing twists for the first time in a long time. And I'm using Marley hair that I got from Amazon. Like I said, this is my first time for everything. This is my first time for buying this hair. Got her on Amazon. It says it comes with 8 packs of hair. So it's probably 2 in each of these 4 things. And I got 30 inches because I got 30 inches. That was the longest that they had. And I got the 30 because I wasn't sure. My hair is long, and I don't know if they meant like 30 inches like from the time you start braiding or when you like fold it and then start. I don't know. It was my first time, so I wanted to make sure that I get this covered. And I like long hair. I'm tall. Like, F it. 30 inches. So now I'm going to open the hair up to see what it looks like. Yes, see? 2. It comes with a little crochet thing. I got like 27 crochet things that I never use because I don't crochet. Okay, it's hot, you guys. Jesus. I'm gonna have to either voiceover or just run the air conditioner while. Yeah, this is 30 inches, y'all. Yikes. 30 inches, y'all. Dang. It's like hitting under. Well, I'll show you the full up when we get there. Oh, okay. Okay. It looks like the pieces are made up for me, which is dope. So here are the ends. They're like crinkly. Pretty sure I have more than enough hair. They gave me 8. I could probably do this style twice or something like that. So I'm going to turn the air conditioner on and get started, and let's see how long it takes. But before I switch to voiceover, let me go through how I prepped my hair for these twists. I have them in 2 ponytails because yesterday I washed and conditioned my hair with my new favorite products. They are the Kristen S collection. This is the clarifying shampoo and this is the conditioner. Halfway down there. I adore this clarifying shampoo because it lightly strips your hair of, you know, the buildup and the dead skin cells and all those things like that, but it doesn't really strip whatever the oils are that are in your strands. So I got to have that. And then the conditioner is great. A little goes a long way. You don't have to use a whole lot and you have enough slip to get through your detangling, and the scent is mild, so it's not like overpowering or like, it's just, I love it. And then I went in with my OG faithful go-to Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil Leave-In Conditioner, which I've been using for years. It really is my go-to because I like to try different products, of course, because I'm a whatever. So, but whenever I run out of something or whatever the case, go to Amazon, $8 and call it a day. And then I sealed that with this Batana oil that I got from, was it TikTok. I think it was TikTok shop. I think they sent it to me or something like that. It's called Panda's Promise, and it has rosemary oil and jojoba oil, and it's a scalp treatment. But I also put it on my strands too because I like it. And then I'm going to be using, this is what I think. I don't know if I'm going to be using these, but I pulled these out because these are like my go-to braiding whatevers. So Shine and Jam, I don't even know if I have enough. I might have enough to get through it, but I really only want to use this on the edges of my hair. And then Blue Magic, because it's just to keep my hair like conditioned. It says conditioner. I don't know what to say about Blue Magic, but I've been using it forever and it feels good on my hair and my scalp and whatever. And then the Eco Styler Gel, because it helps smooth everything with twisting. When I twist, when I actually do the things, the vibes. Combs, rat tooth, tail combs. I don't really care about parting. The parting that I care about would be in the front and the back. I don't, because I can't see it and I don't care who sees it. So, okay, and I'm gonna get started for a bye. Okay, so I did 3 off camera because I wanted to get the vibes going to see how everything was gonna work and figure it out. I'm actually loving the 30-inch boom. I'm loving the 30 inches. It's very long. I'll have to adjust my camera and back it up so you guys can see it better, but this is where we're at. Okay, so this is 1 pack of hair. I got 3 rows down, and I think I have like 2 more rows in the back, but I predict that I'll probably only need like 4 packs, and then I'll have 4 other packs to do this another time. I don't know how my parts are looking. We don't know. I'm gonna get a better shot of the full length when I'm finished, but yeah, these look good. They feel good. It's not heavy, and I don't think I'm going to dip them, but so far so good. Also, I'm gonna switch up. I'm gonna see if I'm gonna switch up how I do the front part, because I braided it so it's like knotted and then twist. I braid it down like I count to 5 and then I braid it down and then I start twisting, as you saw before. And I want to see if I can do the rope in the front because it looks better and it's easier to do in the front, so we'll see. I'm finally done. This is the final product. I'm very, very happy. It only took about maybe 4.5 hours with some stops a little bit, but this is what we're looking like. I wanted to, okay, get it together, lighting. I wanted to do like complete twists, like from the scalp, but my hair is too fine or something. It's not like, I don't know, it just, I couldn't catch the twist. So I just said, forget it. I'll just do the knots at the top. I mean, yeah, I'll do the knots at the top, and then that's what we're doing. She's long. She's 30 inches. This is what 30 inches looks like. I'm glad I did 30. I'm really glad I did 30. I like the length. I'm tall. It makes sense. I'm not like drowning in hair. With the Janet Jackson Poetic Justice vibes, I think so. I think so. Didn't take too long. Very 90s. But that's what I like. So thank you everybody for watching this video. I appreciate it. I will link the hair in my bio. Everybody have a good day. Thank you. Bye.